Hello guys, thank you so much clicking this video. Welcome to my channel Wellbeing Navigator. Today we are in day 25 weight loss product challenge. In this day 25 we will discuss the best product, PT Trim Fat Burn. What is this product? What is the main ingredients in it? What is the ups and downs? Everything we will discuss in this video. So let's get into the video. Are you struggling with weight management? Introducing PT Trim Fat Burn, revolutionary weight loss supplement powered by natural ingredients. PT Trim Fat Burn is packed with the goodness of purple tea leaf extract, rich in catechins and epigallocatechin. Let's explore how this supplement can transform your health. Firstly, PT Trim Fat Burn boosts your metabolism, making it easier for your body to burn calories efficiently. With increased energy levels, you'll find yourself more active and ready to take on the day. Taking care of your heart is crucial. PT Trim Fat Burn's antioxidant properties from purple tea leaves support heart health, promoting a calm and relaxed cardiovascular system. Furthermore, PT Trim Fat Burn bolsters your immune system with its anti-inflammatory blend. Feel your body become stronger and more resilient against everyday challenges. Ready to embark on your weight loss journey? Try PT Trim Fat Burn today and experience a healthier, more energized you. Okay, let's see. What kind of ingredients using in this product? Purple tea extract accelerates weight loss safely with GHG properties, a key ingredient in PT Trim Fat Burn. Berberine, derived from berberis shrubs in Chinese medicine, it aids in weight loss by lowering blood sugar and enhancing cardiovascular health. Green tea extract contains catechin, caffeine, and flavonoid compounds that boost metabolism, aiding in fat burning. Garcinia fruit extract helps control cravings due to its hydroxycitric property, supporting reduced food intake for weight management. Let's quick check about product. Product name: PT Trim Fat Burn. Type: weight loss supplement. Form: easy to swallow pills. Ingredients: purple tea extract, berberine, green tea extract, garcinia fruit extract. Features: manufactured in FDA and GMP certified facilities using science-backed ingredients. Supplement quantity: 80. Usage: take 1 gum or per day. Benefits: melt the fat off your stomach. The waist and thighs of your pants will feel looser, cellulite will dissipate, your face will appear younger and thinner, you'll have extra stamina, you'll have a more positive attitude in life. Burn abdominal fat to help you lose weight. Side effect: no side effects reported. Note point: use this product 18+ people only and who want to reduce their body fat or overall body weight. Otherwise, you can avoid this. But this product is best for weight loss ever. If want to reduce your fat completely natural, this is the best one. Try it once. I am going to give the product link in description. Go and check it now. And that's all about this video. Thank you so much watching this video. If you love this video, like, share, subscribe the channel. We will meet with another new video. Until then, love you.